Thomas Proctor, who owned significant acreage throughout Topsfield beginning in the late 1800s, including all of the land within today's Audubon Sanctuary, built a small cottage directly on the Averill Mill foundation. Nearby, he filled a deep pit with stones and earth to create solid access ways across the surrounding swampy ground, a reminder of how essential this landscape remained for travel, farming, and resource use. Upon his death circa 1950, he conveyed a large portion of his holdings to the Massachusetts Audubon Society, who in turn acquired 2,000 acres, which helped become the Ipswich River Wildlife Sanctuary today. Throughout the 17th and 18th centuries, water meant power, and in Topsfield, the mills were constructed on nearly every brook or stream capable of turning a wheel. These massive historic mills, processed for grinding, spinning, and sawing, shaped the economic and physical landscape of the town. Though nothing of the original structure remains, the legacy of the Averill Sawmill lives on in the land itself, with the old mill site now quiet under forest cover, with whispers of history heard from the swaying trees and the animals that call the sanctuary home. Continue to enjoy the view.